Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 33 on group theory. In this lecture we are going to discuss this question which was asked in GTU Summer 2021 exam. The question is about binary operation. We are given one set containing three numbers -1, 0 and 1, and we have to check whether addition is a binary operation on this set or not. So to answer this question, you must be familiar about the definition of binary operation. So first we recall the definition of binary operation. Suppose S is any set, then a binary operation on S is a function from S cross S to itself, and that function we denote by star. Star is the notation for binary operation. So any function from S cross S to S is called a binary operation. So given operation is a binary operation if we take any two elements in the given set. For any two members in the given set, say A and B, we must have A star B in the given set. If for any two elements A and B in S, A star B is also in S, then this will be a function from S cross S to S, and we can say that star is a binary operation on a given set S. So here our set is -1, 0, 1, and operation is addition, standard addition of real numbers. So we have to check that if we take any two possible numbers from this set, then their addition must also be in this set. So for that, because this is a set having three elements only, we can construct the composition table, and we know how to prepare the composition table. So first we draw these two lines, and here we write given elements. They are -1, 0 and 1. Here also we write -1, 0 and 1, and here we mention the given operation which is addition. So now we write down all the entries in the composition table. So we start with first element -1. So we take addition of -1 with -1, 0 and 1. So we know that -1 plus -1 is -2. Similarly, -1 plus 0 is -1, and -1 plus 1 is 0. Then 0 minus 1, -1, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So we can see if we take addition of -1 with itself, -1 plus -1, then we obtain -2. But -2 is not in a given set. Similarly, we can see if we take addition of 1 with itself, we obtain 2, and it is not in the given set which is having three elements -1, 0 and 1. So this is not a binary operation on given set. So we can write in this way. First we denote given set, let capital S equal to -1, 0, 1, and we know that this addition is a binary operation on this set S if addition of any two elements is also in this set. But we observe that for -1 belongs to S, we observe that -1 plus -1 is equal to -2, and it is not in S. Therefore addition is not a binary operation on given set S. Or we can write for 1 also. For 1 belongs to S, 1 plus 1 is 2, which is not in S. So therefore we can say that addition is not a is not a binary operation on given set which is -1, 0 and 1. If we want to prove that given operation is a binary operation, then we have to show that for all possible pairs AB in S, A star B must be in S. So star is not a binary operation if we can find out two possible elements A dash and B dash in given set such that A dash star B dash is not in S, then we can say that star is not a binary operation. So in this way we can decide whether given operation is a binary operation on a given set or not. We just have to remember this definition that star is a binary operation on a set S if for any two elements A and B in S we must have A star B in S, and this property is known as closure property. So if closure property is satisfied, then we can say that given operation is a binary operation on a given set. And in this example we can say that addition is not a binary operation on this set, and justification is that -1 is in S, but -1 plus -1 equal to -2 is not in S. So we have to write only this part. Our answer is we can simply write only this part. S is given set we denote by S, and we simply write that for -1 in S, -1 plus -1 is not in S, therefore addition is not a binary operation on -1, 0, 1. Or we can write for 1 also. For 1 also we observe that 1 plus 1 is 2. For 1 belongs to S, 1 plus 1 equal to 2, but this is not in S, therefore addition is not a binary operation on given set -1, 0, 1. So this question was asked in GTU Summer 2021 exam for 3 marks, and it is very easy. We are just applying the definition of binary operation. So this is all about this session. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.